المهم مش مهم.
outside of Pakistan, and of course I need for sponsors, other people.
It was tough. What do you say? What was the difference? Was the fitness or something?
I think we just play our best because I think it's a goal for us for here to perform. I think today we are
You said it was a very good experience for you. Would you like to come back in Pakistan, Balochistan, especially?
Yes, that's why I said just now that I really have
Thank you. Oh yes. What would you say to other people, squash players, international squash players, and also other sports players? Would you like to call them to come to Balochistan? It's a good place to play.
I hope after this event people will know more about Quaker and it's very good city and here the sports hall and other facility, hotels, security, everything is really good. So we are happy to be here.